Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how school iPad restrictions work and legitimate ways to manage them, ensuring your device remains a powerful learning tool. School-issued iPads typically come with pre-configured settings, which are put in place by your institution's IT department. These configurations are designed to minimize distractions, promote a secure online experience, and maintain a consistent educational focus during your learning time. It is helpful to know these restrictions are not meant to hinder your experience, but to enhance your academic progress and safety while using the device. Many school iPads feature several types of limitations, such as restricting access to non-educational apps or blocking specific websites known for distraction. You might also find daily screen time limits enforced, for example, allowing only 8 hours of active use each day. Some institutions disable features like the App Store or AirDrop, preventing unauthorized installations or content sharing. These controls ensure that the device primarily serves its intended educational purpose, keeping you focused and safe throughout your school day. If you encounter a restriction that genuinely impedes your academic work, the most effective approach is to communicate directly with your school's IT support or a teacher. Parents can also reach out to school administrators, explaining any particular academic need or concern they may have. Always provide clear, specific reasons for your request, such as needing a particular app for a class project, to help facilitate a positive discussion. Remember that changes must align with broader school policies and security protocols. Ultimately, using your school iPad responsibly means adhering to the guidelines set forth by your educational institution. These policies are in place to create a consistent, secure, and productive learning environment for all students. If you ever feel uncertain about a specific restriction or how to use a feature correctly, consulting your school's IT department or official handbook is always the best course of action. Responsible use ensures you get the most out of your device for your education.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.